Hey guys, it's Corey. So we're back today with another Soarer video. So today we're going to be doing some maintenance items on a 25-year-old car, because let's face it, at 25 years, if you were doing the same job repeatedly, then you'd probably quit doing it too. So today we're going to be replacing the gas struts for the hood, and we're going to be doing a headlight restoration kit from Meguiar's. If you enjoy these install videos or you're new here, then consider hitting that subscribe button if you already haven't. Most of the people that watch my videos haven't subscribed, so please join us and subscribe. It really means a lot. Let's get down to it. So you want to start by removing this 12mm bolt right here on the hood strut. After you get the first one removed, then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing up here at this 12mm bolt. So we'll take a quick look at the difference between the old ones and the new ones. So the old ones had these mounting points that do not detach, and the new one has a different system to where you can install the screw first and then go ahead and pop it on. So next up, you want to take your bolts and put them into the holes that you just took the other bolts out of. So this one's a little hard to see, but it's right where my fingertip is. Once you're done with those, you go ahead and tighten them down, and then you'll just go ahead and push your gas strut back on it. So once you get the bolts tightened down, then go ahead and put the gas strut on, and the clips on it should make it just pop back on, and then that side will be done. Then you repeat it to the other side. Next up will be the headlight portion for the headlight restoration. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some painter's tape and we're going to mask off around the headlight. That way when we're spraying the cleaning solution or the lens treatment, then it won't get on the paint. The paint's already messed up. That's not the point. It's just so that the paint doesn't look different from the other areas of paint. So you take a quarter size bit of the cleaning solution and put it on your pad, and then work on a back and forth motion until it all has a uniform cloudiness on it. So as you can tell from the other headlight, there is a difference. That one is a lot more yellow than this headlight is right now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat. So I messed up and didn't film the first headlight treatment section, but you can already tell that there's a drastic difference in the headlights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I film the second set. And now for the second coat. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. That's some basic maintenance tips to do on a 25-year-old car, because they're usually broken or worn out by that time frame. The new gas shocks, before I installed them, I couldn't even compress them at all. The old ones, I tried to compress them afterwards and they definitely compressed. So they were definitely worn out. One last thing before I go today is I'm a Throttle brand ambassador, hence why I'm wearing the Throttle shirt. So it's free to join Throttle, and I highly encourage it because it's basically like a Craigslist on steroids, and you can get used parts, used cars. You can go ahead and go to the new parts shop and buy parts for your car. Any parts that you find on there, if you find it with a cheaper price at another company, then they'll price match. And if you get VIP, then it's a $10 a month charge or an annual fee of $100 for the year. And that will automatically enter you into the monthly giveaways that Throttle gives. Basically, it pays for itself in the membership, because you'll get 10% off of parts for every order that you do, and you'll be entered into those giveaways. So if you're interested in Throttle or Throttle VIP, use my promo code in the description below. That's gonna do it for today. Bye guys.